1, 2, smile.
I like watching videos of black men shaking their booty cheeks. I don't know why. When I click on a video, I can see a black...
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
Master, I'm tired of picking cotton. Please give me another job.
Get back to work! I said get back to work, not get back to work!
Be a good girl and bend over for Daddy.
I want you jump roping butt booty naked right in my face so I can see that booty bouncing with maximum efficiency. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want that and I desire that. I need...